Right guys, if you wanna use the promo code, so you just put it there, it's Oliver, and you gotta place it in the amount there. As you can see, you're gonna receive 50% bonus, which is $50 to your balance. Hey, welcome to this channel. My name is Oliver, and today we're gonna take a look at another trading session with binary options on the platform called Pocket Option. The link is in the description to this video, as well as a promo code for you guys, as well as an invitation link to a Telegram group where we share a lot of useful info. Let's start the video of today. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and make an option down. So as you can see, all the oscillators are showing us that indication, and I'm going to follow those because I also see a downtrend. And we'll wait a minute and see what happens, and we'll continue. Don't forget to check out, as I mentioned already, the description is a lot of useful info. You can find the promo code for you guys to use and make a deposit and receive the bonus of the deposit. Depending the amount that you place, you will be rewarded with a bonus money. So make sure to use it while it's there. And yeah, let's wait the time that's left and we'll continue. And here we are, the first profit of this one. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna use the same amount that we just got to the next option, and this way we can see a growth really fast. You might know the technique is called the compound percentage, and is used not only in binary options but in any trading really. This works. So I've just made a level there, as you can see. I'm just checking if I went too far now. Oh, there you go. So this is exactly what I was doing. I was checking for the levels, right? And I found that it is actually a bit lower. Let's go back there again. Oh, just brought me back. Well, no matter, I saw that the level was lower than I was currently at, so this means that we have this little time space that we can use and make an option down, basically. Hopefully it works, and this, as I always say, it's not 100%, guys, so what you're trying to get is like a higher percentage to your odds, but that's according to your knowledge of the market, of a particular stock or pair that you in this case there are pairs of currencies, so that is all depending on what you're doing. So if you can get the higher you can, it's obviously better, because out of the box you see 50% that's gambling, so you don't want to do that. And for learning, as I mentioned, you can join our resource or any other resource. It's well, not any, it's got to be correct and good, but yeah, I recommend joining one or other communities. Just so happens that we have one, and obviously I'm going to encourage you to check it out, because my team is putting a lot of work into it. So let's go ahead and next pair. We're going to choose the next pair and see how it's going. As you can see, the amount that we're getting is growing pretty fast. So we had $65, now we're going up to 122, and after that we went to 234, which is obviously, as you can see, this is the compound percentage kind of magic. There you go. I'm just gonna enter the new amount. Don't forget to enter new amount, or otherwise it's not going to work, the compound percentage. And yeah, I saw that our price is crossing through the Dungeon channel indicator, the middle, and in this case we go with it. It's a great indication. All the oscillators apart from that are also giving us that indication, so all is aligned, and we just need to make the decision, right? Obviously it's not 100%. You gotta check your levels as well. I went back in timeline, and I didn't see any level per se, so to interfere. And yeah, I went with the indications, because of that. And we're nearly finished, and 3, 2, 1, there you go. We had the profit from this one, and we'll continue. Obviously, as always, I have the goal of today is the daily, this particular number that I'm looking for, and it's 1k plus or near 1k. So I'll say if it's 989, this is good enough for me, right? And you go the level, it's gonna go down probably 449, and I'll go with an option down, I believe. Let's see, let's just wait a little bit more to get really sure that what's going on. Actually, looks like we're going through there, but nope, actually the level seems to work in this case. Oh, let's wait. Maybe it doesn't. See what happens. That's a waiting game a little bit. So I'm just gonna wait for it to surely go up or surely go down. And when do we know that? Is it gonna go up now? Not always. Sometimes it just drops back down from here. So I'm just gonna wait a little bit more. And let's see. It's getting there, and obviously now I went in because this is long enough to say, well, it surely looks like it is growing, and it does. As you can see further, it does. The other thing to mention is that even from here, it can go up here, and then if you know where to look, you can already see the rest of the levels. So this one was a resistance level, but there's never one resistance level. There's always zones of interest, zones of levels, and there's key levels, there's local levels, there's obviously the support levels, resistance levels, and they're layered, right? They're levels, obviously. And yeah, it could have gone back down. That's something you need to accept, and if that happens, just reassess, make the best of the worst. You gotta learn from your mistake, and then next time you'll know better, right? And here we are. We got the next profit. What we're gonna do, this obviously I said around 1k, and it's not near, so I'm going to go for one more, and let's see if we can get the daily done for today. And there you go, we're getting to a resistance level as well there. This is a tricky one. I would say it would go up from here, but there is a resistance level as well. It might go down as well. Let's try down. I think the levels usually are a better choice to work with than just the indications. Indications are showing as well the price is going down, but the levels are pretty strong. So I decided that the resistance is gonna push it back down. Apart from that, we know that there is a downtrend, so that's a point as well to know. There's 20 seconds left. Right now it's not looking hot for us. It is actually going the opposite. But now it had reached this strong resistance, and I am really expecting this few seconds left, and it looks like it is. Let's see, it's going the right direction. Yes. So guys, we just had a profit here. As you can see, this was a tough one, but the market, it doesn't lie. It goes as it's supposed to be usually, except for some situations that can be a little bit different. But we reached our daily for today, guys, so I hope you enjoyed this video, and I'll see you in the next one. So don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. See you later. Bye.